Sorry about that. That was it ran out of space. But anyways, yeah, all the awesome trees that all the leaves like to fall off. It was really fun cleaning every day. So I guess it wouldn't be a tour if I didn't give you the bird's eye view of the McMansion. Here we are up on the roof where we used to lay out my freshman year, and eventually I built a ladder and so we could climb up here. It's the whole backyard. This is the front yard view up here from the top of the roof. The neighbor's house, they have a pool just like ours, but their pool is turned the other way, sideways, so you can actually jump off their roof into the deep end, which is pretty fun. Oh, and of course I have to show you the leaf relief, the thing Michael and I made that pulls all the leaves across the pool that cleans it. Now we'll go through the kitchen. Hey look, there's Allie. Right there. Oven. Older than probably mom and dad, who knows. Stove, cabinets, cups, plates, counter, refrigerator. There's not a whole lot of good stuff in there right now, but it's alright. More cabinets. Nothing's really in there. Microwave, my toaster oven that I got for my 21st birthday. Thanks, Mom and Dad. And we will go out to my room. This was originally Matt's room. Has a sliding glass door you can come into, which is nice. Closet. Has all my junk in there. All my football tickets over the years, my drum set. Originally Matthew's bed was right here. This is mine, of course. My skateboards and nightstands and books and all that good stuff. He had a big desk thing right here where he did all his work at. I just have a refrigerator and a nightstand and my stuff right here. Our 6th Ave signs that Michael likes to take off the street. It's my bedroom view. And this is the other wing of the room. It's a little messy right now. And of course my music's blasting as always. My TV, my dresser, my little coffee table, which is where I do all my work, and you can always find me sitting in that seat doing some kind of work. My movies, my closet, my couch, the corduroy that many a guest has slept on. A little Zach Brown band playing right now. Gotta change that to August. It's August 2nd. And here's the tiny bathroom where somehow Tony managed to pass out between this 1.5 foot space between the door and the cabinet. But yeah. The shower with the best water pressure in the world. And there have been some heads in that toilet before. And I think we pretty much got everything. Back to the foyer. Back outside so you can see the address where it all started. 1802 Northwest 6th Avenue, Gainesville, Florida, 32603. Had some good memories. Might regret taking this video, but I probably won't. Alright, bye for now.